So I guess that we're in my bedroom. So I guess we draw Renatu, Sans Ratu, Undertale bands. Okay. I don't know what's on these, but we'll go.
Some fan art. Fly did this thing a few months ago, so I decided to do my own thing.
Yep.
Let's get started, boys. Since when am I human? I have to admit, it looks cool, it looks kind of real, but why am I human? Like, maybe in like a universe where I am maybe human, but this doesn't make sense at all.
Me too. Just me too. Just actually, I think I have the same thing like that, but a little bit different.
Oh, wait, is that? Oh,
Oh,
Lord,
no.
this again.
Not a foul, not a foul.
I've been playing for times ever since that comic spiraled.
Nope.
Basically, this is from a tale where Flowey basically decides to possess me, Papyrus. It is screwed up in the head. Plus, Flowey's face, it's terrifying.
Yeah, me too.
Just a notification thing. But, oh, what the heck? Why do I have a tongue? Why do people assume I have a tongue?
I don't know. Just don't trust him. Or the person. I don't know.
Okay, this is weird. I have a lot of mixed feelings about this. What is Blueberry doing?
What?
Incarnate.
Ooh, wow.
Must have days, maybe years practicing keeping the mic. Okay. Tease either me with a bad time eye or me being a cat. I'm thinking.
No, you're not a cat. You're a skeleton.
I'm not that part of the unit yet. I'm very thankful. I have mixed feelings. Why am I human?
I don't know. Just stop making sensitive human.
And be, yeah, why am I human? What's this? Oh, it has something to do with the stronger than you thing those fans made, which is actually kind of pretty freaking epic.
I watched that. And the old pass. Don't trust me.
I'm a Steven Universe extra now. Okay.
Yep. Awkward.
Since when do I have a star tattoo on my face? I guess it's from like an AU where I'm in Steven Universe.
Yep.
B, why do I have eyebrows? That doesn't make sense. I'm a skeleton. I don't have any hair.
Yeah.
How many of them are there? Like 15. Got some cringy art here made by possibly a 10-year-old.
Why?
Stuff.
Yeah.
My eye looks like Bill Cipher's eye for some reason. What else do we have here? Arms, weird. Looks like Sinez from that little parody that Mr. Pilo did. What's this? Oh, no.
Nope.
Oh, what the fuck? Excuse my language. I'm probably just trying to keep this house clean. I hope it doesn't hear me. But really?
Yep.
Oh, that's disgusting. We don't even have those. Well, there was actually... That actually reminds me of the Halloween me
Yep.
and Frisk had on the surface, I guess. Yeah, I never know. They did dress. I'm sorry, as Jason Voorhees one time on here. It's just mostly fan art on this thing is edgy as hell. I like the pose, as we always doing over here.
I don't know.
Come on. Stop portraying me as human and portray me as a skeleton.
Yeah.
People know me should. Okay. Okay.
That's going to work the other way, but not a kissy one.
And necrophilia too. Like, and since when do I have a tongue and blue slobber?
No.
Or blush? Like, that makes no sense.
Nope.
Since when do I...
And I want to see you guys having it.
People need to get your facts straight. You need to clean yourself up.
Yeah.
Tutorials of shit fan art. I almost said shit, I'm sorry. But, yeah, it's cool like that. If you enjoyed this, this little Undertale...
Gotcha!
Sans reacts to your fan art.
Yep.
Like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all next time. Peace.
Yep.
Sans?
Oh!
Did you record a video about me? Oh, sorry, Papyrus. We're all out of time. No! I'm gonna come in and rip it out with you. Trust me, you don't. Goodbye.
Yep. Subscribe to more of me and you get red.